could sweat. If my back wasn't sweating, I could make these jumps. Just, it's distracting. I'm glad you're having fun. Okay. Fix it. Fix it. Oh, my hair. You can do it. I'm mad. I feel Tabasco sauce burning through my legs, making my back hot and sweaty. And I may need therapy after this session. I need comfort. I need cookies. Oh, cookies. Cookies with like, crushed cookies on top of ice cream. And then you put like, you heat up an apple pie. And you put the cookies and ice cream on top of the hot apple pie. And then I'll feel better. We gotta make that happen. Where's Josie, man? She abandoned us. Yeah, if I could just get some cookies. Oh man, my mouth is watering for ice cream now. You already had an ice cream sandwich? That's why you're all happy and I'm just a miserable wreck. I'm a miserable, wretched wreck of a man. Oh yeah, the zappy things. Okay. There's just so many things flying by, I can't even tell what's the enemy and what's... Oh, you did it! Oh yeah, alright, slap it over here. Good job, man. We should give you a cookie. We'll stock up on cookie points. Alright, this is a good game. It's just really hard for me. What? Push! What do I... Whoa! Oh yeah, we're just... I don't even... The game's just playing itself. Ugh. Did she fart? Why is everyone farting in this house? What? Man, the poor neighbors. I bet they can smell that. We live in a... yeah, they're honking outside. Ooh. What? Power up. I leveled up. Now I get cannons on my... That did nothing. What was the purpose of that? Wait, it looks different. It's not so flash. It's not so flashy anymore. Ugh, stop! Hitting me. Oh my gosh. I think... What? What just happened there? These guys, man, where do they come? How are you supposed to know they're there? Oh, no! That's not the right way, right? My back is sweating and I gotta fix it. Oh gosh, how do I get out of this? What? Yeah. Okay, I get it a little bit. There we go. Come on, get me out of here. Whoa. How did they get this kind of... Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, you gotta time it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh. Your fart got on a recording there, Josie. Right. Ooh, got one. Don't zap me. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I might have to stop playing for a while. My. That was fun. My.